And I'm Daddy. But a bit off camera. So what are you going to do today, man? Oh, it's a friend's birthday? Oh, Mahalos. I know he's the best friend, right? Okay. So what are you doing? So many things on the table, dude. So please explain to our viewers actually what are you doing? What exactly? Okay, how? What is the process? So first, what did you do? What is that texture? It looks so roughy.
Yes.
So what is how did you do that? Rice?
Right.
What? What is the secret of it, man? Did you make a glue out of it?
Yes.
Oh my goodness, that's I call intelligence. Alright, and then?
And there's more.
What are these mini stuffs, dude?
Carrot. I got a carrot. A bowl. I said a bowl. And a plate. Now right is happy birthday.
Oh wow. Alright.
Guys, we finished it. And now I'm going to put this vegetable inside of the car. Like that. So you got it? Guys, we're almost done. So we finished everything. And we put the designs on just like now.
Wow, Aman, it's actually the card looks so beautiful, dude.
One thing.
Can you just show the viewers the card a bit closely, Aman? Oh my goodness, this looks so beautiful on your hand, Aman. Thank you very much. So we'll be back again with more exciting crafties. For now,